The arrival of Meghan Markle into the opulent, tradition-laden world of the British royal family marked one of the most remarkable cultural junctures of the early 21st century. Prince Harry, born Henry Charles Albert David on September 15, 1984, grew up under the dazzling and at times oppressive scrutiny of the public. The memory of his mother, Princess Diana, haunted his passage into adulthood, framing his eventual choices about love, duty, and family, with the inflection of loss and longing. July 2016. The first whisperings of romance float through the British tabloids as Harry, then a cherished bachelor, and Meghan, an American actress, best known for her role in the TV series Suits, are introduced by a mutual friend in London. Behind the closed doors of Soho House, the couple find immediate connection in their shared passion for humanitarian causes and wry senses of humor. Divergent worlds, royal and celebrity, British and American, converge quietly, setting the stage for a union that would electrify and eventually unsettle the House of Windsor. November 8, 2016. Only a few months into their relationship, Prince Harry releases an unprecedented public statement, lambasting the media for the wave of abuse and harassment Meghan endures. This is the earliest sign of storm clouds brewing. Rarely had the firm, as the royals are colloquially known, confronted the press with such directness. The relationship becomes public, and fascination turns feverish. May 19, 2018. The world watches as Harry and Meghan wed at St. George's Chapel. The service, broadcast globally, fuses cultures. An African-American preacher, a gospel choir, traditional Anglican ritual, and Hollywood glamour converge in a spectacle, both modern and deeply symbolic. Millions celebrate the couple as the embodiment of a modernizing monarchy, their union a signal that a new chapter for the firm has begun. But even in this moment of hope, fissures are detectable. Reports leak of tensions with staff, allegations of Meghan's perceived breaches of royal protocol, and persistent undertones of racism in certain press quarters. The British tabloids oscillate between adulation and attack. Meghan's American directness is contrasted with the stoicism expected of British royals, and each gesture is scrutinized. Their first child, Archie Harrison Mountbatten Windsor, is born on May 6, 2019, but headlines continue to churn with stories of discord behind palace walls, an exodus of staff, disputes with Prince William and Kate. January 8, 2020. In an earthquake announcement shared via Instagram, Harry and Meghan declare their intention to step back as senior members of the royal family. The world is stunned. Never before has a royal of Harry's rank so publicly distanced himself from the institution. The term Megxit is coined, encapsulating both the move's perceived American influence and its rupture with tradition. The Queen responds with characteristic warmth, but firmness, stating that while the family hopes Harry and Meghan will build a happy life, they cannot continue as working royals while seeking financial independence. By March 2020, the couple relocate to California, settling first in Los Angeles before buying a home in Montecito. Here, attempts are made to forge a new identity, launching the Archewell Foundation, signing deals with Netflix and Spotify, and charting a course in the liminal space between celebrity and activism. The drama peaks again on March 7, 2021, with the broadcast of Harry and Meghan's interview with Oprah Winfrey. Viewed by over 17 million in the US alone, the interview reveals allegations of racism within the royal family, Meghan's battles with mental health, and the couple's feelings of isolation and betrayal. Bombshells detonate. Claims that a senior royal expressed concern over Archie's skin color, and that palace aides showed cold disregard for Meghan's emotional distress. The aftermath is fractured. Buckingham Palace acknowledges the seriousness of the allegations, yet rifts within the family remain pronounced. Harry returns briefly to the UK for Prince Philip's funeral in April 2021 and for the unveiling of Princess Diana's statue that July, but reconciliation proves elusive. By 2022, the publication of Harry's memoir, Spare, stirs fresh controversy, chronicling years of personal struggle, family tensions, and the shadow of his mother's death. Intriguing facts punctuate their journey. Meghan is the first biracial member of the British royal family in modern history, their wedding watched by more than 29 million in the US alone, and their son, Lilibet Diana, named after the Queen's own childhood nickname. The couple's Archewell Foundation pledges support for global vaccination and mental health initiatives, leveraging celebrity for philanthropy on a world stage. If their story is a tragedy, it is a contemporary one, grappling with the weight of legacy, the force of modern media, and the search for identity in an institution built on tradition. As of 2024, Harry and Meghan remain in California, their post-royal lives a testament to the complexity of reinvention.